My name is Moaba Pascal Dow. I'm a mechanical engineering sophomore at Florida Tech here in Melbourne, Florida. I'd like to introduce you to what I call the Power Board, which is a personal project that I'm working on. My goal is to be able to charge my smartphone while I ride my board to class. The way I go about doing it is I have an outrunner DC motor as an in-hub generator inside the wheel. It's coupled to the wheel using this 3D printed coupler. The whole wheel generator assembly is connected to the truck. This 3D printed truck connector over here. I also have a Hall effect sensor and a magnet in this case that's 3D printed as well. That allows me to read the RPM, so I know the voltage for any given RPM. The output from the generator is a 3-phase AC, which I run through a full bridge rectifier. And then there's an Arduino script that sends all the data to this booster transceiver, which I then receive on my phone. I'm not going to demonstrate how much output I can generate with one motor. You need to consider that this is supposed to work with two motors. I only have one at the moment. So connect to the board. So with one motor, I was able to do, this shows that I had to pick at 2 volts. With my test, when I ride it at a regular speed, I can make about 1.5 volts. So with a gear ratio and 2 motors, I should be able to achieve 5 volts. Thank you for considering me and watching this video. Have a good day.